Hello and welcome back to my channel. A couple of weeks ago, I received a request from a client for her 30th birthday. She wanted a simple white vintage style cake decorated with red hearts and bows. For this cake, she requested a 10-inch strawberry sponge filled with Swiss meringue buttercream, strawberry jam, and mixed berries. Let's begin assembling. I started by brushing sugar syrup onto the first cake layer to keep it nice and moist. Then I spread a layer of Swiss meringue buttercream, followed by strawberry jam, and top it with mixed berries. I added a little extra buttercream to help secure the berries before placing the next layer on top. I applied sugar syrup to the final layer before moving on to the crumb coat. This step is essential as it traps any loose crumbs and ensures a clean finish for the final layer. Once the crumb coat was done, I placed the cake in the fridge to chill. As the buttercream firms up, it makes it much easier to apply a smooth final coating. While the cake was chilling, I prepared some small red fondant hearts. I made sure to create enough to decorate both the sides and top of the cake. Next, I used an alphabet silicone mold to create the message Happy 30th Phoebe. I find that using a mold gives a much neater result compared to piping. Although the letters can be a bit delicate and take some time to remove carefully, it allows for better control when placing them on the cake. Especially with red buttercream, piping directly onto a white surface can be tricky because any mistakes would mean redoing the entire finish. That's why I always prefer using fondant lettering for a cleaner and more precise look. Next up, I prepared the ribbons. Using red ribbon as requested, I cut them to size and formed 6 bows to suit the 10-inch cake. By this point, the buttercream has set nicely, so I removed the cake from the fridge and applied the final coat. Achieving a smooth finish does take time, and I went over it several times until I was happy with the result. And using a long acrylic cake smoother really helps with this step. Next, I pipe shell borders along the top and bottom edges of the cake using a shell tip. I also added a small shell border above the larger one for extra detail. Now it's time to decorate. I arranged the fondant hearts around the sides and carefully placed the lettering onto the cake. Since the buttercream had firmed up, I was able to adjust the placement without smudging the surface. I then added a few more hearts on top. And attached the bows around the sides. I trimmed the ribbons slightly to achieve a better proportion. And here it is, a simple vintage style cake with red hearts and bows. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it inspiring. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cake decorating videos, and I'll see you in the next one.